Hello and welcome to Dresden. Today I show you a 65 square meter apartment which is located in a very central district. It's called Südvorstadt. It's just a few minutes to walk to Technical University or to Max-Planck-Institut. Everything you need, pharmacy, supermarkets, bus and train station is surrounded very close. So let's get inside and get some impressions of the apartment.
This 65 square meter apartment is possible to rent in two different options. The first one is a classic rental without furniture except the kitchen, and the second one is a full furnished and high quality equipped rental. So let's go inside and get some impressions of the apartment.
So let's start with this beautiful balcony. Here you can sit in the sun, you can have breakfast in the morning and enjoy living in Dresden. So let's go to the sleeping area. In the sleeping area you find an extra large double bed and a big board with enough space for your personal items. You see, it's well organized. Here's enough space to store your clothes and your personal stuff. In the living room you find a 65-inch smart television which is connected to the internet and is also connected to around about 2000 satellite TV channels from all over the world. Here you have your sofa to relax. Let's go to the kitchen. In the kitchen you find a typical fridge with a freezer and all the typical kitchen stuff. Of course, you're included in this kitchen is a dishwasher, and the typical kitchen stuff you need to cook for your friends is also included. One of the highlights of this apartment is you have an extra room which you can use as private working area. In this apartment included is a 20 Mbit Wi-Fi internet connection. So here in this working room, in this personal working space, you have a sofa bed which you can use when you have guests in this apartment. Here's a vacuum cleaner, battery vacuum cleaner, which you can use to clean the apartment. Let's go to the bathroom. In the bathroom you find your washing machine. Here's a heater to dry and warm up your towels. And here is a very beautiful, well-designed shower. You see, you have enough space for your personal items. This is the bathroom. What do you think about this apartment? For me, it's very beautiful. If you want to rent this apartment full furnished, all you need to bring is your towels, your bed clothes and your personal stuff, and you can move in. If you want to find out more about this area, how it is to live in Dresden, we made a special extra video for the surroundings here. You find in the video description. So feel free to contact us. Hope to see you soon, and bye bye.